So in this video, we're going to talk about sermon series and sermon topics. And I'm going to come over here right below sermons, and I'm just going to open both of these, sermon series and sermon topics, in a new tab. And I want to show you how very, very similar these are. Notice that the only difference here is one is named topic and the other is named series. I've got a couple of series in there right now that I was just utilizing earlier. So I'm going to delete those. And as you can see in the WordPress interface, one nice thing is you can go through and you can check things individually. Or if you, like for instance, I want to get rid of both of these at the same time, so I'm just going to come over here to this checkbox and click that, and it's going to just check everything. And then I'm going to come over here to this little thing that says bulk actions, and I'm going to hit delete. And then it's just going to make those disappear. Now, mind you, it's not going to actually request confirmation before you do this. Okay, so when you do that, be sure that you want to delete them because they're going to get deleted and they're going to get deleted forever. Yeah, it's not going to say, hey, do you want to delete them? As you can see, it's just going to delete them. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in a new sermon series, and I'm just going to name it Series 1. I'm not going to give it a slug. I'm not going to give it a description. I'm just going to click Add New Sermon Series. Excuse me. Now, if I wanted to associate a picture with it, I could. Same way we did last time, just by clicking on it. And I can either select one from the media library, or I can click on from my computer right here, and then I get my familiar download interface so I can go find one to download and insert them. I'm not going to do that. I just wanted to get that in there. Okay. And now I'm going to come over here to Sermon Topics, and I'm just going to type in Topic 1. Don't have to worry about entering the slug. The description is optional. And I'm going to type in Add New Sermon Topic. Now I get Topic 1. Once again, can associate a picture with it as well. So, let's come back over here to Test Sermon 3. Open that up. Come down. And generally speaking, a sermon may have a series and it may have a topic. Generally speaking, a lot of times they'll have both, so I'm just going to begin typing in a word here, SE, and all of a sudden, there we go. Series 1's going to pop up. And I'm just going to type in TO, and Topic 1's going to pop up. Simple as that. Then I'm going to click Update. So now we've added both a topic and a series to this particular sermon. So now when we view the sermon, we're going to see listed on the sermon page, we're going to see that it is topic 1 right here, and the series we're going to get right next, right below here, underneath the Bible. It's going to say Series 1. Now if they click this link, okay, they're going to be taken to a page that's going to show them all of the sermons in Series 1. Just like down here, if they click on Topic, they're going to be taken to a page that's going to show them all of the sermons in Topic 1. So that's what I mean by it's indexing through these, okay? Just be aware that series shows up here and topics show up down here. This may only be associated with one series, but it may be associated with, 10 different topics, So that's what I mean when I say topics. It's not just one topic. You probably have a bunch of different topics that you discuss in the sermon, or you may just have one topic that you concentrate on in the sermon. But here, this lists the series. What series is this? Maybe you have an entire series on redemption or Revelations, and that's where you're gonna say this. And every time they click there, they're gonna get that. They're gonna get those categories listed by series. Here, they can click on the topics, and they can get not just per se the sermon that's in this series, but a sermon in any other series that has to do with that particular topic. So anyway, pretty direct and straightforward. What those are for is just basically it's a way for WordPress to categorize the information that you've given it. And they've chosen these topic and series because it is the most relevant when it comes to sermons. So, and that is how you use both series and topics in the Sermon Manager.